Furfurn. Among the countless species of insects that inhabit our planet, there are those that prefer to make our homes their own. One example is a small fly that we often encounter in our bathrooms. But why do these insects choose to live there? Some of them have peculiar and intriguing appearances, while others can even pose a risk. Who are these little creatures that we frequently see on our walls, and what impact do they have within our homes? In today's video, we will explore these curious beings, examining different types of insects that can share our domestic environment, including the silverfish. A tiny insect that resembles a small fish is commonly known as the silverfish. Despite its diminutive size, it is considered a pest in our homes. It is nocturnal in nature, agile, and prefers warm, humid environments such as bathrooms and kitchens. However, it can be found throughout the house. Dabrurers. Their diet is versatile, including foods, stored crumbs, and even paper, causing damage to books, clothing, and food. Additionally, these pesky little fish tend to hide in hard-to-reach places, reproducing quickly and becoming a household nuisance known as the bathroom fly. This is an insect commonly found in our homes, especially in bathrooms, and it has a fuzzy appearance that seems harmless, allowing us to even touch it. Lamdri. However, the constant presence of these curious bathroom flies indicates a need for cleaning in the area. They originate from drains, feeding on accumulated organic matter in the drains and corners of the bathroom. Therefore, if you find these small, hairy flies in your home, it's time to consider a thorough cleaning, just like addressing the issue of pill bugs in the garden. Now let's talk about a small creature that inhabits our gardens and vegetable patches. The pill bug. Despite its attractive and curious appearance, it's important to note that this creature is not an insect, but rather a type of crustacean. Though it isn't an insect, it deserves a spot on our list due to its significance to the environment. These small crustaceans play a crucial role in the decomposition of organic matter from plants and animals, contributing to soil nutrition and providing nutrients to plants in forests, gardens, and yards. Additionally, they have the unique ability to curl up into a ball as a defense mechanism against threats and predators, remaining motionless until the danger passes. They are truly fascinating creatures. If you're enjoying the discovery of these curious insects, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell. Now let's explore the next household insect on our list, the water bug, a peculiar and intriguing insect that can also be found in our homes. Belonging to the same family as crickets and grasshoppers, its distinction lies in its habit of digging tunnels and creating various galleries in the soil. To carry out this excavation, they use their front legs, known as fossorial legs. They are known to cause considerable damage, especially in crops such as vegetable gardens and flower beds, where they can affect the roots of plants and create havoc by tunneling all over the place. Therefore, if you notice a series of tunnel-like holes in your garden or yard, it's likely that you have water dogs nearby. Despite their destructive activities, these insects play an important role in the environment by acting as pest controllers. Dragonflies are always a pleasure to spot flying around our gardens and vegetable patches due to their beauty and delicate appearance. Despite their elegance, dragonflies are powerful predators in garden ecosystems, sitting at the top of the food chain as they feed on various other insects that inhabit the area. Their presence in your home is an indication that the ecosystem of your garden is healthy. In addition to their beauty, dragonflies play a vital role in biological control, eliminating insects that could harm plants and combating mosquitoes that transmit diseases. Therefore, finding dragonflies on your property is a sign of a balanced and healthy environment for your plants. Number 5. Ants. These insects are extremely common all over the world, except in polar regions. Ants are known for their remarkable, social organization, and are often seen in our homes searching for food or building their anthills in our yards. Among the thousands of ant species, some are considered pests due to their close contact with humans. Although they perform important functions in nature, they can cause damage by attacking plants and even transmitting diseases in contaminated environments. Number 6. Bedbugs. This insect is widely recognized as a true pest, despite its tiny size, measuring only a few millimeters and having a brown or reddish-brown color. Bedbugs are extremely problematic. They do not have wings, feed on blood, and tend to hide in dry places with little light and airflow, making them common in our bedrooms and beds, where they find an abundance of food in our blood. The main inconvenience of these insects is their sting, which, although it does not transmit diseases, is quite uncomfortable and can cause allergic reactions such as redness, itching, and blisters that often require treatment. Therefore, it is important to regularly inspect our rooms for scorpions. This intriguing and peculiar arachnid resembles a scorpion due to its appearance, which is why it is also called a pseudoscorpion. However, it belongs to the spider family and is commonly known as a book scorpion. This unique arachnid gets its name from its habit of inhabiting our valuable books. However, don't be alarmed or try to eliminate it if you find one, as the surprising book scorpion is actually beneficial for books. It is one of the famous book-dwelling creatures that feed on the glue used in the pages, thus preserving the books. It's important to note that the book scorpion is not present in all books, only in older ones that contain glue. Moving on to the second animal on our list, we have the centipede, also known as the lacraya. The centipede is an arthropod with a notably peculiar and even frightening appearance. There are various species of centipedes, some of which can grow to nearly 50 centimeters in length. Its body is made up of multiple segments, each with a pair of legs, giving it a unique and curious look. These creepy creatures can often be found in our homes, especially in humid environments due to their nocturnal habits. While they play an important role in nature, centipedes can be a nuisance in our homes, as they are considered venomous arthropods. Their bite, although not seriously dangerous to humans, can cause discomfort, including swelling, edema, and pain. In more severe cases, it can lead to fever, chills, tremors, and even small wounds. Now let's talk about a very common insect found in our homes, the wall moth. These small insects are everyday companions, and you've probably seen one on the wall of your house. They live in gray casings that are flattened, sticking to the walls. Wall moths feed on dust, abandoned spider webs, hair, shed skin, and cotton remnants, which explains their frequent presence in our households. They are harmless and pose no threat, but they can damage some clothing items. As they feed on organic matter accumulated in fabrics over time, these moths undergo metamorphosis and transform into small butterflies. So if you see one flying around your house, know that it was once a wall moth. What do you think about these household insects we explored today? Which one is more common in your home? Share your experiences in the comments, give us a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Until next time.